Today was one of those days throughout the year where we discuss what the strengths, weaknesses, areas for improvement, opportunities for growth are. After we have this discussion, we have a whole lot of fun, kind of with a lot of team building activities, bowling, playing VR. We learn how to save lives, we learn how to improve ourselves, we learn how to grow, but we also have so much fun while doing all of that and build a very tight-knit, close community, and that means a lot to me.
As a physician, when you enter an exam room, the patient immediately identifies you as a leader as well as someone that they can trust. So in applicants, we're definitely looking for people of character. Character is one thing that can be very difficult to teach. We can certainly teach you the medicine and everything around that, but we need to have a person of character to start off with. My name is Jeff Iden. I am the program director at Mercy Health St. Rita's Lima Family Medicine Residency.
I'm Leah Iden, associate program director for the Family Medicine Residency. My job here is teaching the residents not just clinical competence, but also interpersonal skills, teaching by example much of the time. To be a family doctor, you need to have buy-in from your patients, and they need to understand that you care about them and that you want the best for them. Same thing with the community. We go to the local soup kitchen for a day every single year. We have a day where we help local agencies with different projects and volunteer in the community. So the residents are learning about the resources of the community and investing in those themselves.
So one of the unique things about Lima is that we serve a very large patient population, a 10-county area that encompasses about 500,000 people. So we serve a very diverse patient population. We have an urban population, a suburban population, and a rural population. Often we'll bring together all three worlds all in the same day. We do lots of procedures for our patients. We do inpatient pediatrics. We do newborn nursery, more acute care inpatient pediatrics, and then we follow them in the outpatient clinic.
Part of our mission here is to serve the underserved people. There are underserved people here locally, and we also want to be able to serve on a more global level too.
One of the opportunities here at the Family Medicine track is that we do get to go global.
So one of the exciting things about taking residents overseas to train is the change that it affects in them. When they witness those things, have those experiences, it requires a lot of flexibility, but also drags people out of their comfort zone to do things that they wouldn't have done otherwise.
Everyone from my peers to the seniors to the leadership team and the faculty have been so helpful in growing as a resident in the medical profession.
We highly value leadership as part of the training of our residents, and so they approach that in many ways, serving on hospital committees, working with the GME team to create curriculum. They're teaching one-on-one with the medical students and high school students that come in for simulation days, just to continue to build those skills that will serve them well as physicians.
We have a really great time together. We get together often outside of the hospital and take some time to not just talk about medicine, but other things going on in our lives and connect together.
Always just had a feeling that I wanted to come back and serve this area of Lima that I grew up in. And truly and honestly, just the feel of the family, the culture, the attendings that we have is truly why I chose to come here.
I do feel like there's a lot of diversity, even just from my class. People from different places, coming with different backgrounds and different knowledge.
Something that really pulled me to St. Rita's was the positive learning environment.
If you're considering family medicine, I would encourage you to come to Lima. Our training isn't just about being an excellent physician, but also being an excellent person and a leader in your community. And you'll definitely have a great time working with us here in Lima, Ohio. We have a lot of fun as we work.